Fractions that represent the same portion of a whole or the same point on a number line are called equivalent fractions. To determine if two fractions are equal or equivalent, we compare using cross products. And later, when we're creating equivalent forms of a fraction, we multiply the numerator and denominator by the same natural number. Determine if each pair of fractions is equivalent. To do that, we will find the cross product. We're going to multiply the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. 4 times 15. And we're going to ask, is that equal to, kind of do a similar thing here, we'll take the denominator of the first fraction and multiply by the numerator of the second fraction. So 10 times 6. 4 times 15 is 60, and 10 times 6 is 60. Since this is a true statement, we can say that the two original fractions are equivalent. To check if these two are equivalent, again, we will do the cross product. 2 times 15. And we're asking, is that equal to 5 times 7? 2 times 15 is 30, and 5 times 7 is 35. Since this is not a true statement, the two original fractions are not the same. They are not equivalent. In example 5, we want to create another fraction that is equivalent to the original. So we're starting with 3/4. We can multiply by really any number we want. Let's just keep it simple for this first example. Let's use 2. We're going to multiply 2 over 2. Notice that the red number here, 2 divided by 2, is really 1. So we're multiplying by 1. We're not changing the value of the original fraction because multiplying by 1 does not change its value, but we are changing what it looks like. So to multiply the fraction here, we're going to multiply the numerator. 3 times 2 is 6. And in the denominator, 4 times 2, we get 8. So 6/8 is an equivalent fraction to 3/4. They look different, but they're really representing the same number. In example B, we again want to get an equivalent fraction. As long as we multiply the top and bottom, the numerator and denominator, by the same whole number, we'll get an equivalent fraction. We could use any number we want. Let's use 5 this time. 5 over 5. Again, recognize that what we're really doing is we're multiplying by 1, because 5 divided by 5 is 1, and multiplying by 1 is not going to change the original fraction. It's just going to change what it looks like, but it does not change its value. So 6 times 5 is 30, and 11 times 5 is 55, and we want to keep it negative since the original fraction was negative, and we have negative 30/55. This is equivalent to negative 6/11.